Over 90% of engine misfires I've diagnosed come from one simple problem: dirty fuel injectors clogging up systems. Did you know clogged injectors waste 30% more fuel before 50,000 miles? That's significant money disappearing through your tailpipe. Dirty injectors cause rough idle, poor acceleration, and engine hesitation. They damage your catalytic converter from the inside out. They steal horsepower and reliability from your engine. Most drivers don't even know their injectors are dying. Today I'm revealing 9 proven methods to clean fuel injectors without removing them. 9 strategies used by professional mechanics. And at the end, I'll share a bonus secret. One that extends injector life by 100,000 miles. Most mechanics never reveal this outside the garage. Let's dive in. Method number 9. Add fuel system cleaner to your tank. This is the most common method, and it works when done correctly. Most people grab the cheapest bottle at the gas station and dump it in. Then they expect miracles. Sorry, it doesn't work that way. Not all cleaners are equal. You need one containing polyetheramine, PA for short. PA actually breaks down carbon and varnish inside injectors. Proven brands include Chevron, Techron, Gumout, and Redline. Here's the critical trick most people miss. Pay attention to your tank level. If the bottle treats up to 12 gallons, don't pour it into an 18-gallon tank. You'll dilute it and waste your money. Run your car down to about a quarter tank. Add the cleaner. Then fill up with fresh gas. That way the cleaner runs strong through the injectors. Don't expect one bottle to erase years of neglect. This is maintenance, not magic. Use it every 3,000 to 5,000 miles, right when you change your oil. Use a funnel to avoid spilling cleaner on your paint. This cleaner can permanently stain. This is the entry-level solution, cheap and easy. But what if you want something attacking deeper deposits? Method number 8, use detergent-based fuel additives. Your injectors don't just get clogged with carbon, they get sticky like super glue. Sticky varnish forms when fuel sits in lines. The fuel breaks down slowly, creating residue. Regular cleaners don't cut through this gunk. Detergent-based additives work like dish soap for your fuel system. They break down gum, varnish, and oily residue. I've used these on cars that sat for months. Old vehicles only driven on Sundays. The injectors weren't carbon-packed, they were coated with sticky junk. Detergent additives fixed them when nothing else worked. Here's what most drivers overlook. You must run multiple tanks, not just one. These detergents work slowly, not overnight. One bottle won't fix years of buildup. Run it through 2 or 3 tanks back to back. That gives the additive time to loosen deposits. Some mechanics mix detergent additives with PA cleaners. The PA breaks down carbon. The detergent washes away varnish. Together they pack a bigger punch. Don't dump every additive you find into your tank. Too many chemicals mess with seals and sensors. Stick to trusted brands and follow instructions carefully. Method number 7. Try ethanol treatment additives. Ethanol is both friend and enemy to fuel injectors. Most gas today contains up to 10% ethanol. This helps keep injectors clean because ethanol acts like a mild solvent. But ethanol pulls moisture from the air. When water collects in your tank, it separates from fuel. This causes corrosion and rough running. Ethanol treatment additives stabilize fuel and fight water buildup. I've used them on boats, motorcycles, and classic cars in storage. Without treatment, those injectors clog solid after winter storage. With treatment, they fire up like they ran yesterday. You can't just dump this once yearly and expect miracles. Use it every few tanks, especially with off-brand fuel stations. Before storing a vehicle, add the treatment. Run the engine so treated fuel reaches injectors. Good ethanol treatment prevents hard starts and poor idle. It protects your fuel pump from early failure. Method number 6, regular highway driving. Sometimes the best cleaner isn't in a bottle. It's in your right foot. The oldest trick for dirty injectors is the Italian tune-up. Too many cars live soft lives. Short grocery store trips, stop-and-go traffic, highway idling. The engine never gets hot enough. Carbon builds up on injectors, valves, and catalytic converters. That buildup chokes the engine gradually. The Italian tune-up fixes this problem. Take your car on a long highway drive, 20 to 30 minutes minimum. Drop into a lower gear and let RPMs climb higher. Keep them elevated steady. This heats the combustion chamber so hot that carbon burns away. I've seen engines that stumbled and misfired smooth out perfectly. After one good run, I'm not telling you to redline your car like a maniac. I mean controlled higher RPM driving. Keep it in third gear on highways with automatics. Run lower gears with manuals. The idea is steady elevated revs, not constant acceleration. Only do this when your engine is in good health. Old oil or weak cooling systems can't handle high RPMs. Get the basics right first. An Italian tune-up is free, simple, and incredibly effective. Method number 5, throttle body and air intake cleaner spray. Now we're getting our hands dirty. A throttle body cleaner spray makes a world of difference, not just for injectors, but your entire air-fuel system. Over time, carbon builds on throttle plates and intake valves. That sticky black gunk makes engines stumble and idle rough. Spraying cleaner into the intake dissolves deposits while running. Find your throttle body by following the air intake hose. It's where the hose meets the engine. Loosen the clamp and pull the hose back. Start the engine with someone holding RPMs at 1500 to 2000. Spray in short bursts directly into the throttle body. Don't drown it, just little sprays. Spray for a few seconds, let the engine recover. Repeat until the can is halfway done. Safety. This stuff is flammable, so no smoking nearby. Keep a rag to catch drips. Work in well-ventilated areas. Afterward, you'll notice smoother idle and better throttle response. Some cleaner reaches your injectors too, but sprays are still DIY solutions. Method number 4, fuel system cleaner kit. Now we're in professional territory. A pressurized fuel system kit feeds strong cleaner through your fuel rail. It bypasses the gas tank entirely. This is one of the most effective ways to clean injectors. I've used these kits countless times with excellent results. But listen carefully, this isn't for beginners. You're dealing with pressurized fuel lines. Careless mistakes cause injury or fires. First, relieve fuel pressure by popping the fuel pump relay, crank the engine until it dies, hook up the canister using adapters that connect to the fuel rail. Make sure it's tight, no leaks allowed. Fill the canister with the included solution. It's much stronger than bottled additives. Pressurize the canister with shop air to 40 to 60 psi. Start the engine running entirely on the cleaner. Let it idle until the canister is empty. This forces chemicals through every injector, scrubbing inside and out. Remove the kit and reinstall the fuel pump relay. Results include even injector spray, smooth idle, better acceleration. But if this sounds intimidating, you're not alone. That's why most people leave it to professionals. Method number 3, professional on-car cleaning service. Sometimes the smartest move is letting professionals handle it. Professional on-car injector cleaning services use machines you can't buy. I've run hundreds of these services with night and day results. The shop hooks your car to a professional-grade cleaning system. It bypasses the gas tank like the DIY kit, but uses stronger detergents and precise equipment. The machine runs your engine entirely on cleaner for 20 to 30 minutes. This flushes carbon, varnish, and deposits from injectors. Results are immediate. Smoother idle, sharper throttle response, better mileage. Customers often say it feels like a new car. This costs $100 to $200, compared to replacing injectors at $600 to over $1,000. It's money well spent. This won't save completely clogged injectors or electrical failures. If an injector can't open, no chemical fixes it. But for dirty, Sticky injectors with uneven spray patterns. This service brings them back to life. Method number 2, use top-tier gas with built-in detergents. Here's a secret most drivers ignore. Cheap gas costs more in the long run. You might save a couple bucks at the pump, but you're buying fuel barely meeting government standards. That means fewer detergents, more deposits, dirty injectors. Top-tier gas from Chevron, Shell, Mobil, and Costco is different. Their fuel has extra detergents blended in. AAA tested this and found top-tier gas left engines 19 times cleaner. Cars running discount fuel at 80,000 miles have uneven spraying. Their valves are caked in carbon. Cars using top-tier gas at 150,000 miles, their injectors look almost new. That's chemistry, not luck. You don't always need premium for top-tier benefits. Regular grade from top-tier stations has the detergent package. Unless your car requires premium, stick with regular. You save money while keeping injectors clean. If you buy off-brand gas occasionally, follow up with a PA-based cleaner on your next fill-up. You'll balance what cheap fuel leaves behind. Fuel quality matters more than most people think. Choosing top tier is the easiest long-term cleaner. Method number 1, carbon clearing machine service. If you want the most powerful cleaning without removing injectors, nothing beats a carbon clearing machine service. This is the gold standard used by dealerships. High-end shops restore engines to like-new condition. A specialized machine hooks directly to your fuel rail. It replaces your fuel supply with a strong professional-grade solution. While your engine runs, this solution flows through injectors, dissolving carbon, varnish, and stubborn deposits. Unlike DIY cleaners, this cleans injectors, intake valves, combustion chambers, and fuel lines. The entire system becomes spotless. Results: sharper throttle response, smoother idling, better fuel economy, maximum injector lifespan. Performance improves so dramatically it feels like a mini engine rebuild. Professional shops recommend this every 30 to 50,000 miles. Costs $100 to $200. Benefits easily outweigh the price, especially if your car shows rough idle, poor acceleration, or hard starts. This is your number 1 choice for peace of mind. It's the closest to brand new injectors without replacement costs. Now you know how to clean fuel injectors without removing them. You understand the full spectrum of cleaning options available, from entry-level tank additives to professional carbon clearing services. Each method has specific advantages and best applications. Entry-level cleaners work for light deposits. Professional services work for heavy carbon buildup. The next step is recognizing early trouble before complete failure. Watch for rough idle symptoms worsening gradually. Watch for hesitation when accelerating from complete stops. Watch for poor acceleration during passing maneuvers. Watch for decreased fuel economy creeping upward. Watch for hard starting in cold weather. These are warning signs of injectors clogging. Address them immediately before complete failure. Complete failure means expensive injector replacement. That costs $600 to over $1,000. Early treatment costs just $100 or $200. Prevention is always cheaper than replacement. Your engine will thank you with smooth performance. Your wallet will thank you with real savings. Subscribe for more automotive knowledge and repair tips. Share this video with every car owner you know.